Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can change your username on Snapchat application. Just a reminder, so you'll only be able to change your username once in a year. In case you had changed your username earlier, so you'll not be able to do that now. And also make sure to check your internet connection and watch the video till the end. So then let us get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat application. As you open up your Snapchat application, the interface kind of look like this. From here, tap on the profile icon or the Bitmoji in the top left corner. As you tap on it, on the other page you can see your profile information. From here, you'll have to tap on the gear icon, which is in the top right corner. On the other page, you will be directed into settings page, and over here you can see on the second option there is username. So in order to change it, all you have to do is tap on it. As I've already mentioned before that, you'll only be able to change your username once in a year. So as you can see that I've already changed my username, so I'll not be able to do that. So the process for changing your username is just simple. All you have to do is tap on it. On the other page, you can either create your username or you can even select it from the suggestion. And that's how you can change your username on Snapchat application. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.